Hi everybody, my name is Andrea with Camille's Crown Closet. Today we're unboxing Selfie Mode by Raquel Welch. I have this in the color RL1923SS, which is shaded biscuit. So let's take a look. Raquel Welch makes some really beautiful wigs. If you're used to wearing belle tress like I am, I have a Nottingham. You will find that Raquel Welch has quite a bit more hair. Belle tress wigs are much less dense. Raquel Welch, again, they typically have more hair, but let's take a look. So inside the box here, we have the paperwork, and then we have Selfie Mode. Let's take her out, take a look. She definitely has a lot more hair than what you're used to, again, if you're using belle tress products. But again, Raquel Welch, they make really nice wigs. They have very nice cap features. The fibers are really soft, but again, they're much thicker than what you might be used to. So this is Selfie Mode. Let's take a look at the cap. So here you have a monofilament top, so you can part her anywhere you want. I typically like to part on the side, but you can do a center part, even a right part. She also has the memory cap, very, very stretchy, with the silicone on the bands. And we have the adjusters, which are Velcro, so you can tighten or loosen to fit your head circumference. Again, this is the color shaded biscuit. You can, especially in the Raquel Welch brands, you can get some variation in the color. This one's maybe a little bit darker than what you might see on other SS shaded biscuit wigs. But we'll go ahead, I will be right back. We're gonna pop her on. So this is Selfie Mode straight out of the box. I haven't shook it out, I haven't broken up the part. She is beautiful. So who says ladies in their 50s can't wear long hair? I am in my 50s and I wear long hair all the time. So do what makes you feel good. She is beautiful. The cap actually fits me pretty well. I am like an average petite with my circumference. I am 21 1/4. And she fits me pretty good without moving the adjusters at all. I typically do get a little bit of extra in the back here because I have a flat back of my head, but this is her straight out of the box. I'll show you the side here and then the back. The cap is really comfortable. You have the velvet ear tabs, you have the memory 3 cap, again, which has the silicone. So if you wear a wig cap or if you don't have any bio hair at all, this will really grip to your head. It also has the extended nape. So if you have a flat back of your head like I do, it'll definitely help it stay in place. And I don't have a wig grip on, and she stays pretty good. Again, I have not made any adjustments at all on this cap. I'm gonna go ahead and play with her a little bit, kind of shake her out, maybe lift up the front a little bit. And again, I'm typically a side parter, so I'm gonna style her a little bit and then I'll come back and show you what she looks like. So I broke up the zigzag part, gave it a little bit of a left, kind of off center, left side part, clipped the top back a little bit on both sides, sprayed it with some water, hit it with my blow dryer. We're gonna let it set for a few minutes. I don't like hair on my face, so I typically do kind of push these front, well, it doesn't have bangs, so I guess you would say the front back a little bit so it stays off my face. And then I combed it just a little bit to loosen up the curls with a wide tooth comb. But oh my gosh, look at this hair, dream hair. It's higher density, but it doesn't feel too thick. It actually wears really well. It doesn't feel heavy on my head at all. And look at this lace front. Raquel Welch does an impeccable lace front. Again, I'm typically a belle tress wig wearer, but Raquel Welch I think is my new favorite. Stay tuned, I'll show you what she looks like when this is cool. Well, here she is. I think she turned out really great. I might add a little bit more lift in the front. I tend to like that lift and to keep the hair off my face. It just bothers me when it gets in my face. Again, you have a full mono top. It goes from about here to here. It is all hand tied, and anywhere you part, it gives you the illusion of scalp. Um, Raquel Welch typically does put permatease, sometimes a good amount of permatease in their wigs. This one does have a little bit of permatease, not much, mostly around here, just to hold the style. Their lace fronts are absolutely impeccable, so you can pull this style off your face. It has the temple to temple lace front. Again, velvet ear tabs with the metal stays. The memory cap 3 that has the silicone banding on it, so if you do wear a wig cap or if you don't have any bio hair, it'll really fit and kind of hold on to your head. I do have bio hair. It's very thin, but I have bio hair. I am not wearing a wig grip, and this is really staying on really well. So this is beautiful. Even though it is a heavier piece, it doesn't feel like it. These are Raquel Welch's True to Life Heat Friendly Fibers, so if you do want to restyle it, you can certainly do that. You can curl it, you can straighten it. Beautiful, beautiful piece. Feels like human hair. We do stock these at Camille'sCrownCloset.com. I believe I have one on hand, which ships in 1 to 2 business days. The others take a little bit longer for shipping. Typically, we ship within 5 business days. Check us out. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching.